how to put a zip, how to sew it in. I'll be showing you how to do a collar. I'll be showing you a lot of things that involve sewing, like from start to finish. So you will learn a lot on this channel. And another thing will be also I'll be also showcasing styling, like when it's finished, when I've made a product, like when I've made a design from start to end, you saw me making it, and when it's done, I'll be showing you how to wear it, guys, like how to pair it and stuff like that. So you won't just learn how to sew, you will also learn how to wear those designs, which is going to be really exciting. And not only will I be talking about sewing and fashion and stuff like that, I'll also be sharing my hair journey. I get a lot of questions on my hair. My hair is not super long, but a lot of people are asking me a lot of questions. What do you do to your hair? How do you make it curly? Is it natural? And there's all these questions which I'll be answering on my channel. So on the next video, I'll be sharing with you the days, my uploading days, on what to expect on certain days. So be sure to watch the next video, and thank you so much for watching this video. It is like my first videos, so I'm actually excited. It's not my very first, it's one of my first videos. So I think I've only posted like about two or three. I have 3 videos. Okay, so I'm learning, guys. Thank you so much, and do leave a comment down below on what you would like to see, or what your suggestion. I welcome any comments, because guys, I'm so new here. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and always check out the next video, please.